How to make masala bangan or bagara bangan in house in Nawabi style. Prepare bangans. Take bangan means brinjal, cut into 4 pieces and deep fry it like this. Keep it aside. Afterwards take onion, roast it to golden fried level. Keep it separate. Keep the following ingredients ready before making the curry. Take groundnuts and cumin seeds, grind it to paste and keep it aside. Keep this also ready. Keep ginger garlic paste ready. Tomato sliced, and now we will go to the dry ingredients. The main green ingredient in the curry is kalonji. Kalonji is nothing but it's a onion seed. Keep methi, keep mustard, dhania powder, chili powder, turmeric, salt in the last to the taste. The main deliciousness comes only in the curry with the help of tamarind juice, that we have to keep it, soak the tamarind aside, keep the tamarind soaked aside. Last for garnishing, take the coriander leaves. Now this is the main ingredients for making the bagara bangan. Now the process of making bagara bangan is, it can be done in dum and it can be made in kadai. So in house we can make it in kadai. Friends, place the kadai on the stove. Put 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat it. Just keep it in a low flame. Heat it. After heating, first step to add to the oil is kalonji, which I have shown in the ingredients. Put kalonji. It will come like this. It will come. Then take methi, half spoon methi. Put methi in this. Then take the mustard seeds. Put mustard seeds. After putting mustard seeds, just wait for methi to turn brown. After methi is turned brown, after 2 minutes, you just wait for 2 minutes. It will start popping up. The mustard will start popping up. Add fried onion to the oil. Just mix it. Just mix it in a low flame. Because onion is already fried, just mix it in a low flame. Put ginger garlic paste. 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Just roast it. Just roast it in oil. Add the groundnut and cumin seed paste to the oil. After adding the paste, let that simmer for some time. You can add little water so that it is not sticking in the bottom. Just mix it well. The color of the liquid will turn into light brownish. The moment it turns to light brownish, you can add the ingredients. You can add turmeric powder, chili powder to your taste, dhania powder, spoon of dhania powder, salt to the taste, Mix it well so that it comes into a shape. Nice thick paste. Now add sliced tomatoes. Again mix it. Okay, now the curry has been left for 5 minutes in a low flame. Now the oil comes on the top. After putting the tomato, leave it for 5 minutes in a low flame. The texture of the gravy comes like this. When the texture of gravy comes like this, add tamarind water, what we have kept ready in the initial. After adding the tamarind water, mix it again. The color changes. Automatically the color changes. After adding tamarind water, again leave it for 2 or 3 minutes in the same flame. After, when it starts bubbling, then bubbles comes, add fried brinjal to the curry. Just allow the brinjals to soak in the curry. Now after adding the brinjals to the curry, just put a lid and leave it for 5 minutes. We have taken out the lid. The main part of finding out whether the curry is ready, the curry will start leaving the oil inside and it will start settling on the top of the curry. So this curry is now ready. This can be taken out and served in a bowl and garnished with coriander. I'll just take out the curry in a bowl. Now our curry we have taken it in a bowl. We have served in a bowl and we have garnished with coriander. Now you can eat the delicious Bagara Baingan. After eating, if you like the curry, the taste of Nawabi Baingan, please like, share, comment on our delicious den and subscribe. We will be coming back with another in-house homemade 5-star recipes. Thank you.